clicking starter relay.
So here's how to test the starter relay. Now is the relay position 30, 85, 76. So first we need to check the number 6 of starter relay from ignition switch. So you need only this light, connect the to the body ground, then number 86 first. So battery remove and check. Okay, so there's a power going to number 86. So next, connect again to the body ground, positive, so number 30. Okay, there you are. Then next, check the positive. So body ground connect to positive. Check the ground. Test light connect to positive. Okay, there you are. So last, you need to check the 87 relay. So we need to connect this one. Then connect again to body ground. Then connect to the number 87 for this light. Then try to crank. No, so only clicking. So the problem is the starter relay. So we have the relay here. So let's try to okay. So this is 24 volt. Okay, move 87. Then next 86. Then next 85. Then last number 30, the positive. Okay, and let's try. Problem is the relay.